guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I really wanted to share something super fun with all of you. So I'm going to share my top 3 best top handle luxury handbag, which is right here. In particular, I have these 3 beautiful bags with me, and I'm going to go through each and every single pieces, what I love about them, how I normally style them, and why I feel that it's going to be the best top handle luxury handbag that you need to own. Anyway, if you happen to be new to my channel, hello, my name is June. I'm posting video every single week about my luxury handbag, about my lifestyle, about my fashion, about my haul. So let's be friends and cheer up together by subscribing down below. Alright, not going to make the intro super long, as I know that you guys are already super excited to see my beautiful handbag. So without further ado, let's go start it. Alright, this is the first luxury top handle handbag that I would really recommend you to have. This is my Business Affinity in a small size from Chanel, and it is come with a Caviar leather, which is kind of like the calfskin leather, graded calfskin leather. It is just super durable, and it is also very carefree. I've been using this daily non-stop for the past 2 years, and it just still look absolutely amazing. There is no scratches, there is no wear and tear yet up to this moment, and I'm still really loving them. Although of course at the current moment I don't really go out, so I don't really can show some love for my luxury handbag, but this bag is just the bag that I always grab whenever I went out, because I do love the option that it is comes also with the crossbody strap right here. Reason why it is because although top handle looks super elegant and super pretty and feminine, but I feel that there's always a moment where we really wanted just to be like hand-free and just wanted to use our hand in other purpose. For me, example is that I need to carry my toddler, my baby, so this is something comes really handy where I can just crossbody the bag, and I also free up my hand and I can carry my baby. So really loving this Chanel Business Affinity, and the back of it is just looks super pretty and gorgeous. The only things that I wish to be better about this bag is that I really hope that this crossbody strap can be take off, like you can put it and take it out, but unfortunately this one is always like a hang on in here because there is no hook that we can take off the crossbody strap. So normally if I really wanted to carry, I will just like double the strap right here, and then I just top handle it together with the top handle already, if that makes sense. But I don't really like the tangly things over here. So yeah, this is something that I really don't like about this bag. I would say that it's really back to again a personal taste. For me, I don't really love it, but I know that some of my friends say that, oh, it just look very unique with these tangly things, but yeah, I feel it is just not my style. I really love the only elegant look by just top handle it, but sometimes the tangly thing is just a little bit annoyed me. But other than that, it is really a perfect everyday bag that can be just dressed up and dressed up. The second item right here, it is none other than my Louis Vuitton LOCKY BB. So I think that it is no question already that I really love this LOCKY BB, and of course it is also come with the crossbody strap, which is I'm not really putting. That really what I mentioned about my Chanel earlier, like this LOCKY BB, you can really put up the hook for the crossbody strap, but if you don't want, you also can have the option to just take it out. So this Lucky BB is just looks super pretty, super feminine, and I really love the iconic look of this monogram from Louis Vuitton. It is also feels super duper lightweight. Although it is looks super small, but it is actually can fit a lot of stuff inside here, so you really can stuff it well. And yeah, I just feel that it looks super pretty. It is still very structured and it can retain her shape pretty well, which is I do really love kind of a structured bag, because I feel that it is just look more luxurious and more expensive in that way if they can really retain their shape. So been really loving this Lucky BB, been wearing it for a year and don't really have any complaint yet for the moment. Everything is still looks super pristine, like no scratches, nothing at all. Yeah, I feel that it is called like patina or something like that, where the leather will becomes a little bit oxidized and come a little bit like yellowish kind of color. But other than that, it is just really look very pretty. I also feel that this bag is super carefree. I'm not really a person that can babysit well my bag, so I tend to just a little bit more rough with my luxury handbag, but it is really still in a good condition, meaning that of course the wear and tear is super good with this Lucky BB. So I really love the top handle of this Lucky BB, and I love that it's coming in a small size, because I feel that when I'm top handle it with my personal body type, I'm not that big anyway because I have the Asian kind of body type. So I really feel that if I really carry something top handle with a bag that is super duper huge, it's just look not that nice, because I just being like overly consumed by the bag instead of my style. So yeah, I don't really like to carry a very big bag. So this Lucky BB comes in a small size. I do really love the size as well, and yeah, everything is just great about this Lucky BB. Anyway, actually I already done some full review about this Lucky BB right here. I will just link the description down below so you really can check it out. In that video it will be super detailed. You can see all the lining inside. I also talk about the price point and about how to take care of this Lucky BB. So yeah, you can just go to that video instead and see the full review. Last but not least, this is my third top handle luxury handbag that I would really want to recommend to you. It is of course my Lady Dior. It is come in a patterned leather and in a black calf skin. I really love the look of this Lady Dior. That there is no other bag that look more luxurious than a Lady Dior. It just looks super elegant, super feminine, and because of that I don't really use it that much, because I'm not a person that will always go to a party or dress up very nicely. Style is a little bit more like casual and carefree type of a style. So I always feel that if I just in my short and my t-shirt, it is not really fits with this luxurious bag. But if you're really going to some like ball party or just like really dress up night dinner, this bag will be perfectly for you, because it's just super pretty, super gorgeous and elegant. Whenever I carry this bag, I always get so many compliments because it just looks super great. And I'm really glad that I got this Lady Dior in a pattern leather. As you can see here, it's just super glossy and it is really make it much more, even more luxurious than it already be. So yeah, it's just a very great bag. I've been carrying for like almost 2 years, but of course not every single day. As I mentioned, it is really kind of like a very luxurious statement pieces that you can just carry during some party or yeah, some night dinner probably. As you know, normally Lady Dior always come in a lambskin, so I'm really glad that I got it in this pattern leather and a calfskin leather, because it's just make it super duper carefree and there's not much wear and tear. So the 3 bag right here that I just show you is just super duper carefree and super duper wearable anytime you want, except for Lady Dior. Of course, it is more like a dressed up masterpieces, but other than that, these two you really can dress it up and can dress it down. So this is my recommendation for the best top handle luxury handbag. Please do let me know what is your best top handle luxury handbag. I would also love to know all about it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in my next video. Bye!